Hi, this is Dannon with the Panama City Farmers Market, bringing you this week's tips and tricks for being successful at a farmers market. This week we look at upselling your items. This is a simple thing that you can do to offer a discount when they buy multiple items. This ups your ticket price, your everyday ticket price. So we'll look at a few booths and show you how they do that. So our first one is Nacho Creations. If you want to come over this way, you can see that they have their plants. They're $10 each, or 2 for $15. So automatically they up their per ticket price, they offer a discount, and they make more money. So this is my recommendation. We'll go look at another one. And here we have our second booth that offers the same thing but in a different way. They sell hot sauce bottles for $7 each, or you can buy 3 for $18 or 5 for $25. So they've upsold at a multiple rate discount and given them a box. So this is another creative way to do it. The other tip, that this is a free one this week, is pile it high, watch it fly. So always make sure your tables are full. So that's this week's tips and tricks. Tune back every week and learn how to be successful at a farmer's market. Thank you.